I'm going to apply everything on this haul to my face so you can see what worked, what didn't work. I'm going to be showing today my Sephora haul and also give you some gift ideas for the holidays that you can get at Sephora. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. Hi everyone, this is Darcy. I'll have timestamps below if you want to jump anywhere in this video because I'm going to talk about skincare, makeup, hair care, all kinds of things. I'm going to start with what I got from Glow Recipe because this line, it is skincare that looks like makeup and is actually good for your skin. Has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and I am obsessed with this line. I had some other videos that I did showing you my other stuff from Glow Recipe, but I'm going to apply everything I have because I feel like it has been really doing great for my skin and it looks so beautiful. So I'm going to put it on as we talk. I'm going to apply the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops Rosy Glow. Been loving using it. I feel like it really evens out my skin and also gives me a glow. So it's beautiful to use under your makeup or by itself. Glow Recipe Niacinamide Glow Hue Drops Sun Glow. Use as a bronzer. I feel like it works really well to just warm up my skin and gives me a healthy flush. And what I like about this collection is that everything is basically skincare. It just gives you a nice warmth. And oh yeah, I like putting this on my nose to kind of give a little nose contour and you guys are going to see. For the nose contour, I just kind of do this and I apply like this. See that you get a little bit of a contour? I am a red person, especially now. I'm a little flushed. But I do feel like after it settles in, it kind of just looks more even. I also bought the Watermelon Glow Recipe Dewy Flush. They're the colors that I have. And they have a cherry one that is limited edition that I'm also going to buy. But I'm going to be applying Berry Flush. I'm a little red because I do have rosacea. So don't mind my redness. But this makeup is truly just to give you that natural flush. It's kind of like the no makeup look. But what I love about it is that it does stay. And I feel like throughout the day, it just becomes one of your skin. You just look healthy. And it's nice knowing that I'm putting something on my face that is just going to give me benefit for my skin. It just gives me the healthy glow. It doesn't become greasy. It just kind of becomes one of my skin. This is the Glow Recipe Glass Balm. This is my favorite. There's a lot of amazing ingredients for your lips. And I find that when I use them, my lips become so hydrated. And now it's winter, and that's why I bought more colors. This is the dragon fruit one and the strawberry one. I know it looks super glowy right now, but I just love this healthy look, especially for the winter when our skin really needs the hydration. I also got this from Merit. This is the Solo Shadow. This is the color Iris. I love Merit, guys, so much. It's so beautiful. Let me apply this on right now. Comment below if you have tried anything from this new collection from Merit. I think it's a great one and done. And they have other colors as well. I also got another one of the Merit foundation stick. You see right there. And I'm going to apply a little bit so you guys can see that this gives you a beautiful skin. And then I'll apply the blush on top. Isn't that beautiful? It's just so natural. Sorry, I'm a little bit all over the place today, guys. It's just that I want to apply everything to my face so you guys can take a look and see what you like, what you don't like. Apply some more of this. You guys can see the color of the eyeshadow more. And I bought this mascara, never tried this before. It's from Kofi. It's the Betty Lash Mascara in the color Black Noir. And it is actually a tubing mascara, which I love tubing mascaras. Comment below if you have tried this one. I love tubing mascaras because then I just, I don't have to rub my eyes. I can just through some warm water and they just come out. I like this wand. It does look beautiful, not clumpy. I kind of messed up a little bit underneath here. What do you guys think? I'm going to apply a little more of the Merit foundation stick. It's like an eraser. I love doing this here. Erase my shadow mistakes. I love how it's just so easy to just erase all my mistakes. And I also love that when you have a little more of an even skin color, you can see more of the shadow, which I do love. Apply again the Glow Recipe, the Berry Flush. And I think you can see it does work well on top of foundation. Besides just with the Glow Recipe products. See how beautiful? It just gives you the nice glow and also flush. I just realized I put the shadow in my inner corner, so I kind of look even darker now. Another use of the Merit foundation stick is that you can put it on right there and immediately erases my mistakes. So glad I bought a replacement because, as you can see, I use it quite a lot. So if you make a lot of mistakes with your eyeshadow, get this, because it is not just a foundation. It kind of like erases your mistakes. So let's continue. From Luna, the Luna Daily, the Everywhere Spray to Wipe. This is the fragrance-free one. Basically what this does, it replaces your hygienic wipes and is actually a great thing to carry on trips when you're traveling long hours on the plane, or actually carry on your purse after the gym. So I like how fresh I feel with this. You can actually use this everywhere, not just on your private areas. And also, if you buy wipes, this replaces that. You can just spray this on the toilet paper and then it turns into a sanitary wipes, which is actually more environmental friendly, and you save more money because this lasts you a long time. Bought this one during the sale, but I actually have used the cooling one, which is the blue one. And I ran out of that one during the summer, which does the same thing, but it's more cooling. So if you get really hot during the summer, and I'm on perimenopause right now, so I get extra sweaty and hot. So that one was amazing. I used it up and I bought a replacement. I got the fragrance-free one, but I want to try the other ones as well. Sephora has a special one that you can get 3 for 20 something, which is actually a great deal because if you buy one by itself, it's 12. Of course, I bought during the sale, but they didn't have it in my Sephora, the 3 one. But I'll put on the description if you want to get that one. Is a good deal because you can get 3 of them. And it's super easy to carry in your gym bag, on your purse. Again, you can use this anywhere. I love it, and that's why I bought another one. Another thing from Luna that I love is their deodorant. And this is the all-over deodorant. And again, you can use this all over. And it has a very nice texture. It's a natural deodorant. See, it's kind of like a gel. And it's also hydrating. It's a natural deodorant, but it does work to keep you nice, not smelly, sweaty-free. And you can use it on other areas of your body, not just your underarms. Love this brand, Luna. If you haven't tried this out, this is a great time to check it out. Let's talk a little bit about hair products that I got during the sale. But this one, which is the full version of the Crown Affair, the leave-in conditioner. This is the full version. I bought this one because I had already tried the travel edition. I actually use it today, and you can see my hair is super soft, hydrated, and I love the scent of it. It smells amazing. It's actually a treatment for your hair, and you only need a little bit. I've been using the travel side for a while, but then the Sephora sale came along, and I got myself the full size. Anyone that you get is a really good deal. Love, love, love. Makes your hair smooth, gives you like that blowout look, and is hydrating without weighting your hair down. It's shining, and I'm really into, since I highlighted my hair recently, I'm really into hair products, which I'll do a whole video on it, but this is one that's definitely going to be in the video. On the topic of hair, I got another hair product. Again, I'm going to do a hair video, but this one I've been using for a very long time is the Oribe Imperial Blowout Transformative Styling Cream. I bought a brand new one. Doesn't weight your hair down. It does look like you just went to the hair salon, and it is a treatment for your hair. And honestly, anything from Oribe, it is a winner for me. I have not tried any Oribe product that I haven't liked, but this one is definitely a repurchase. Kind of on the pricey side, so I kind of only guess the one is on sale, but it's amazing. If you have a chance, try it out. Talking about repurchases, I cannot say enough good things about Salt and Stone. This is the Saffron and Cedar. As you can see, is very well loved. So I obviously got replacements during the sale. This smells amazing. Actually, any Salt and Stone scents are amazing. I actually have the other ones as well at home, but this is the one that I use the most. As you can see, the scent is ambery, is sexy, and I have talked about a lot on my channel, and as you guys can see, I love it. Definitely recommend any Salt and Stone products. I have other ones that I'll probably do like a whole dedicated review because I actually have more things for Salt and Stone, but I'm only talking about the things I repurchased during the sale, so that is what I got. I actually love the gel as well. It doesn't just smell good, it actually is super smoothing to my skin. I love it. So if you haven't tried the shower gel, definitely recommend. Another thing from Salt and Stone that I got was their mini deodorant discovery sets. I already have the Saffron and Cedar deodorant at home. Again, it wasn't a repurchase because that one lasts me quite a long time. This set is amazing for gifting and also to try all the other scents. Because one of the things about the Salt and Stone deodorants that I feel like not many people talk about is that it kind of works as a perfume. I find that even when I use the deodorant, people ask me what I'm wearing. So it is a deodorant that definitely has a scent that's long lasting. And when you combine with the fragrance and the shower gel, then you're like set for life. It smells so good. So I bought this whole thing here because I want to pair with the other sprays that I have from Salt & Stone. And I wanted to try it out, the other scents from the deodorant. It's all natural deodorant. I love it so much. And it makes a great gift as well. So if you're curious about Salt & Stone, definitely check this out. Talking about gift giving, I'm going to give you some gift suggestions. And they also already have a great price as is. So if you miss a Sephora sale, you can still get this Sephora for the holidays. And I love this set so much. I'm going to start with hair with Fenty because Fenty hair, if you haven't not tried, this is a great thing to check it out because I love the scent and Fenty hair is amazing. It makes your hair soft and it smells so, so good. So this is a great kit to get if you're curious about Fenty hair. The maintenance crew gives you a great overview of it. So you can try it out and then, get the full size if you like, but it's also amazing for travel. And this one comes with the Reach It one, which is a moisturizer, repair, deep conditioning. Type 5-in-1 heat protected style. Comeback kit, instant damage repair treatment. Reach One was a moisture repair shampoo. This is great for gifting for yourself or during the holidays. Another Fenty hair is the hydrated hot ones. Get it for $38 and is a great value. Comes with the Water Boy Reparative Leave-In Conditioner Spray. It smells so good. I cannot get enough of this Fenty hair scents. It's so good. And this is, again, a leave-in conditioner, hydrating, and your hair will smell divine. And this one also comes with the protective type, which is the 5-in-1 heat protector styler. So you can have a nice hairstyle that smells amazing for a great price. This is from Fenty Skin and is the butter drops. So it is their body butter. This comes with 2 Fenty body butters. I have not tried Fenty body yet, so I'm excited to try this one. It smells like nutmeg and caramel. Good. I'm excited I got this. And this other one, this smells like sugar cookies. Perfect for the holidays. Comment below if you have tried this. I cannot get over this holiday scents. Oh, this is so good. Oh my God. I cannot stop smelling this, so definitely recommend. I love Fenty Gloss Bombs, and this is actually makes a great gifting, a great stocking stuffer, and you can even put this on your tree, which is so, so cute. I have tried this one already, and I'll put the video here so you guys can see. This is a limited edition color, and I actually wasn't sure I was going to like it, but I do like it. It's really pretty. Definitely check this out for a stocking stuffer or for yourself. And this one is a bigger set here. It comes with 3 colors. I'll put the video here of me swatching them on my lips so you guys can see the colors. Definitely a great gift idea for yourself or for a loved one. The Laneige gift sets are also giving really nice holiday vibes. The Laneige Hydrated To Go. This one is great because it actually comes on a travel bag. So if you are traveling this holiday, this is a great one to get. You can actually use it for your makeup later as well. It comes with the Cream Skin Certified Toner and Moisturizer, Water Bank Gel Cleanser, Water Bank Moisturizer, and a little lip mask. Super hydrating. Definitely a great thing to check it out. The other Laneige product I got is the Laneige Midnight Minis. It's $21. They're really tiny because they're the minis, but it's a great thing if you want to try them out or put it on your purse or again for travel. I already have the full size of the Laneige lip mask, so I was curious about these flavors. So sometimes you just want to try a little bit of the flavors, and if I like it, I'll get the full size, but they last me quite a long time, the lip masks. And this is a great deal, again, if you want to do as a gift, stocking stuffer, or just try the different flavors and see if you want to get the bigger size. But the price is definitely really good. Let me know in the comments below, what did you get at the Sephora sale? What are your most popular repurchases? Because as you guys can see, I kind of use the sale for repurchases a lot. I know a lot of people do. So comment below, what are your most repurchased things during the sale? And also let me know any gift ideas for the holidays. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.